What's up, everybody? Back with another video real quick. Metal plant explosion in Bedford, Ohio. Now it's Bedford, Ohio. Okay, that this is going on. Mass casualty incident reported following explosion at metal manufacturing plant in Bedford, Ohio, 2 weeks after toxic train in East Palestine derailed. So, multiple people are injured following an explosion. Alright, it remains unclear what caused the explosion, how many were injured. The explosion is just about 70 miles from East Palestine. Alright? So, a lot of strange coincidences are going on. Alright? 70 miles away. Alright, in Bedford, Ohio. So this is the company that caught fire, been around for a long time. But they produce, metal. That's what they do. Something they be into, melting metals, all kind of shit. What could they be doing? Who knows? Brass, bronze, copper, alloy, pellets, ingots. They use a lot of that shit for, believe it or not, weaponry. So just real interesting, man. Real interesting. This company explodes, but it could just be another coincidence in Ohio. State-of-the-art facility. Just real interesting. A lot going on in Ohio, So you got a lot going on in Ohio. A lot. This is all the different, stuff they got. Copper, tin, lead, zinc, nickel, aluminum, bismuth. All kinds of shit, man. All kinds of goodies. Just real strange, man. Real strange. A lot going on in Ohio. So, just in case y'all haven't known, there's a lot of crazy stuff going on. Also, guys, this has been in the news too, for the past couple days. A woman finds her chickens dead 10 miles from East Palestine in North Lima, Ohio. Tucker Carlson brought up this story of 5 chickens who died in Lima, Ohio. I'm sorry about that noise. But Lima, Ohio's been popping up on the Twitter feeds past few days. You had a manufacturing plant retrofits these machines, war machines. Sorry about that noise, guys. I can't turn it off. Owned and operated by the Army. So this is in Lima, Ohio. Alright, this has been floating around Twitter for the past couple days. But yeah, man, a lot going on. So just wanted to make this quick video. And I'm suspended on my one channel for a week for just the dumbest shit I've ever seen. It was a school fight, and I got a guideline straight. Unbelievable. And I found it on YouTube, so pretty crazy. But anyways, peace and love, everybody.